Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and these are the extra readings for you. And every sign I'll be doing extra readings known as the extras. Okay, so as the other readings, they are also general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. And again, obviously, they may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. Okay, and these are just few cards, just the extra information, or just maybe something which you need to hear right now. It can be that. Okay, so let's see what's there for Aries. Let's see. Two cards have already fallen down. Three. Okay, I'll take them. Okay, Aries. So what I see here is that you are depressed over a situation. Okay, and that depression is because of the fact that there has been some person who is cheating on you, perhaps, or if it was a relationship, maybe then this person was not committing. Okay, so there was something, some immature behavior, some deceit, perhaps some deceptive behavior, some sort of cheating was going on, some through someone, and that is why you feel very depressed. Okay, and you are the only thing is that you are focusing too much on the negatives. Okay, so this is how I think the situation has already passed, perhaps, or maybe this energy lingers on you. But what I feel is that you are still giving yourself that time. You are trying to rejuvenate. You are trying to come out of that negative situation. What I feel, you are giving time to yourself. You are rejuvenating, and because of this self work which you are doing, and the abundance and the leisures which you are giving to yourself. Now these leisures definitely may not be materialistic. They can be that time which you are giving to yourself. Maybe you are trying to focus on the positive aspects of life, whatever, or maybe you are trying to focus your attention on the other aspects of your life, which can be your career, which can be anything else. So whatever it is, you are giving that time to yourself to heal, to rejuvenate. And the best part is your life is giving you a new beginning. There is something definitely new which is coming up, which is definitely strong, which is definitely solid. It is going to give you a solid foundation. Also, there is definitely a new beginning. You are coming out of this negativity. There is a new beginning, and I think this new beginning may in some way, shape or form give you some sort of an indecisiveness. Maybe this offer, you may take some time to decide that you want to take it or you don't want to take it, and that can be because of the fact that you feel cheated still, or you feel that that energy is lingering with you, and that is why you are cautious and taking your time to take a decision. And that is always a wise thing to do, but just don't take that long that you miss the opportunity. Okay, but definitely there is a new beginning which is coming in, and I think you will be taking the right decision because here with the Knight of Swords, you are rapidly and very fast, you are moving towards this opportunity, whatever this new opportunity is. It is that so passionate for you. Okay, and here with the Ace of Cups, the Three of Cups, and with the Five of Clubs, what I see here is that there is definitely a wish fulfillment. There you have a reason to celebrate. There is wish fulfillment. You will be very, very happy. Whatever this new beginning is, this new beginning is going to give you a beautiful, I should say, beautiful emotional satisfaction. And again, this is the Devil card of this deck. So what I see here is this Devil card is the reason that you are being indecisive, as I've already told you, that you are taking your time to decide, but don't take don't make it so long that the opportunity goes in the hand of someone else. Okay, so just take the right time. Do not let anything from the past hold you from, or sort of delay this decision of yours. Okay, so don't the past which has happened with you, don't let it govern your present. Okay, don't let it influence your present and the future. That is the only guidance which is coming up for you, Aries. So just release the past, and there is a beautiful new beginning over here, which is obviously going to give you a very, very emotional satisfaction of solid commitments, solid relationships. Whatever this new beginning is for you, it is really beautiful. Okay, so that's all I have for the extras, Aries. Hope you like it, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.